My goal for treating patients is to make them significantly better than when they came in. Sometimes we can't make everybody perfect, but the goal is to make a big difference and make them able to get back to most of the activities that they want to do. I grew up in Miami, Florida, lived there for the first 18 years of my life, went to undergrad at University of Pennsylvania, went to medical school at University of Florida in Gainesville. I went to orthopedic residency at Baylor College of Medicine in Houston, and then I did a foot and ankle fellowship in Tampa, Florida. My specialty is foot and ankle surgery, so I'm an orthopedic surgeon that specializes in surgery of the foot and ankle. It could be anywhere from bunions to complex reconstructions to total ankles. I treat anywhere from 6 months old to 90+ years old. The best part about treating our patients is to take someone who is having a hard time getting around and doing their daily activities and getting them back to doing their normal activities and getting them back to being a productive part of society. I am the foot and ankle consultant for FC Dallas. I've been with them for over 3 years now. I'm pretty much at most of the games. I am there for all the foot and ankle questions and even there to sew up the occasional head or face laceration. It's a real privilege to take care of those athletes. They are really great athletes, and the club is a great place to work with. I've been the team physician for Hebron High School for going on my 19th year now. As long as the school's been in existence, I've been their team doctor. I've been from 0-10 football teams to 16-0 state championship football teams. A lot of the kids that we originally take care of are now having kids of their own, so it's been a long time. It's a great privilege to take care of them. I know a lot of the people over there. We see their families, we see their friends. It's been a great opportunity for us here at Carrollton, for sure. I have a wife who is my high school sweetheart. We've been married for 26 years. She is an engineer. I have a daughter who recently graduated Boston University, and I have a daughter who just graduated high school who's going to Oklahoma. Hobby-wise, my most common hobby right now is tennis. I play tennis 3 to 4 times a week. I've been playing tennis since I was probably 7 or 8 years old, so I've played a long time. So I'm a big tennis player, and one of the things I like doing is a charity through Children's Medical Center called Children Helping Children, where it's a tennis tournament that is played by anywhere from the 10-year-olds to the 18-year-olds. The proceeds of the tournament go to sponsor pediatric oncology or pediatric cancer, so it's a perfect match for me. I've been supporting that for over 10 years.